Hey guys, today we get to play with all these cool pop-up toys. Let's start off with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, blue, orange, red. Dog, bear, monkey, lion. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yellow, blue, orange, red. Now let's do the Sesame Street pop-up. Ernie, Elmo, Cookie Monster, Oscar. Bye, Oscar. See you later, Cookie Monster. Hasta la vista, Elmo. Adios, Ernie. Green, blue, orange, gray. Here we have yellow duck, orange fish, brown cookie, and an orange and yellow worm. Look, Mickey, it's a Mickey Mouse Clubhouse pop-up. Are you excited? Oh, yes, he is. All right, let's begin. Donald, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow, blue, pink, green. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, kids, this is our last pop-up of the day. Let's begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Giraffe, elephant, panda, lion, monkey. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green, orange, purple, blue, pink. Okay guys, hope you liked this video. I'm sure Mickey did. He looks so excited. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.